Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wonderful guest, Sahana. Hello Sahana, welcome.
Hello, Deepa.
How are
How
you?
are you doing?
I'm also very good and excited because I'm connecting with you right now.
Yes. And we started the journey, I think, at the same time. So
Yeah,
I'm really thrilled to meet you actually.
it's been I think too long we haven't connect.
Yeah. But I think we have started our journey, means English journey at the same time, right?
Right. So
Hmm.
how is your English journey going on?
Eh, It's really going good, and I'm enjoying. Most important thing is,
Wow, great. So everything is going good.
yes, so far so good.
So first of all, thank you so much for your accepted my invitation, and we are right now we are sharing our screen. So thank you so much for that. So
Okay, and thanks to you because you gave me the chance, this opportunity. So thanks
please,
a lot.
yeah. So I think before we move forward, so could you walk me through your introduction? Not for
Yes,
me,
I'm
for
Sahana.
not for me, for my viewers, for our
Yep.
viewers.
Yes, I got.
Yeah.
Yes, I got it.
Mhm.
And I'm Sahana. I'm connecting you from Karnataka, and I'm full-time homemaker, and I'm English enthusiast. So I'm totally obsessed with this language, and it's my childhood desire also. And so I thought, yeah, let's brush upon this language, this skill. That's why I connected, and I think I feel so. There is a so much bright future in the English language. I feel so. That's why I started learning this language.
Exactly, because these days we can consider this language as a bridge, and it's you will find like everywhere. Without English language or this language, we cannot do anything. Even if you want to teach your
Right,
even kids, also for that, even you have to learn this language. It's very mandatory these days, right?
right. Yes, absolutely.
So English, I think, becoming in India, especially ubiquitous. Everyone wants to learn this language.
Yeah. Yes, everyone wants to learn. Yeah.
So after I think now you can articulate your thought in this language. So right now, whatever what you are feeling,
Okay, about this language.
yeah. After
Yeah, this is
learning this language, what you have find something change in you, especially.
okay. Yes, first thing is I am feeling very happy because I am learning what I wanted to. So that's why I'm really happy and I'm gaining confidence as well as I'm growing. And whenever I go out, I'm able to talk in this language. So I'm feeling really means over the moon, you can say. And it's really delighted for me. So I'm become fluent in this language.
Exactly, I also feel the same because no matter how knowledgeable you are, no matter what you have done in your life related to education, but if
Yeah.
you're able to like connect with someone or like lots of people, you can say, or see overseas India, so somewhere we feel like we are lacking somewhere, right?
Yeah,
After learning this
exactly.
language, although we are learning, still we are learning. But I can say now I am quite confident than earlier, what I was.
Yeah, exactly. It's showing in your speaking. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, I think someone calling me. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, Sana, sorry for that.
It's okay. No.
Yeah. So now I think after learning this language, we can teach our like especially our kids very easily. Earlier
Yes.
also we
Right.
were
Right.
able to teach them, but now it's becoming more easier than earlier.
Yeah. Yeah.
You also feel the
Yes.
same?
Yes. Exactly. Yeah, yes, exactly the same. And yeah, as we used to teach them earlier also. But whatever, after gaining this confidence, yeah, I'm knowing this language, then we can, again, we can clearly make them understand. That is the thing.
Like yeah, we also feel the same
Yeah.
because now. So have you like you also talk in English with your kids at home?
Yes, yes. I try most of the time I try to speak in English and they try to correct me always and it's helping me a lot.
I
Yeah.
think that's a very like a very wonderful time for us that we are learning with help of our kids. So sometimes
Yes.
have you
Yeah.
ever feel like emotional like whenever they correct you with happiness because of happiness?
Y- Yes, yes, yeah. Usually, initially, what I used to do, they always try to connect, means talk with us in our native language. Whenever I try to speak them within English language, and they correct me, then I know I getting the idea. Yes, my kids are knowing this language, and they are really fluent. Otherwise, they used to talk in our native language. So now I am getting what they are know.
Right.
Yeah.
Have you ever
Yeah.
find yourself your kids know everything better than you, especially in English?
Yes. Yes, yes,
Happen
absolutely.
with you
Yeah.
also?
I'm teaching them. Yes, I'm teaching them and learning from them.
I think that's
Both the
great.
things happening.
That's a great thing that we sometimes I think we are trying to complete to each other, right?
Yeah,
Very
right,
great
right.
thing.
Yes.
So I would say we are a very like a previous privilege that we are getting kind of situation or chance. In
Yeah,
that way, we are
both the things.
learning with through our kids, and our kids are learning through us. So that's very great.
Yeah.
In villages, I what I like seen when I was in there. So all the time, parents they used to feel like I'm your parents, I'm elder to you, so you have to respect all the time. Okay, so I wasn't born in Wednesday. So whatever I'm trying to like tell you, you have to like listen very carefully and follow as well. But now,
Right.
but now I can say like everything is like a change, becoming change, right? We are learning,
Changing. Yeah.
and like one reason is here, like if you are educated, and you are ready to embrace. We are also
Yeah.
need something at least with help of our kids. That that things
Yes.
make us very happy and
Yeah.
it's giving me a kind of a feeling like very excited and content, fulfillment. I would say
Yeah. Fulfillment. Yeah.
fulfillment.
Right.
Have
Yes.
you ever feel also?
Yes, yes, actually. And if someone, I always feel that if someone corrects me, they are observing me properly. I also feel so. So if they correct me, I don't take it as negative. I just try to accept them and try to correct myself in that situation. Yeah.
That is the thing I'm saying because in villages you
Mm.
cannot do that things. If you are going to
Yeah,
correct your
right, right.
elders, so maybe they get angry. What you are doing? You are
Yeah.
teaching me, you are preaching me.
I'm elder. I'm elder to me. You are teaching me.
Exactly, exactly. But in our case, like whenever I like something being a mother or being a human, I would say sometimes we feel overwhelmed.
Mm.
In that case, we just scold without any reason. Sometime I just like start yelling on my daughters in some reason because it's my son. He always keep me nagging here and there, or sometime these days been I think 10 days he becoming more like mama magnet. Even he won't leave without me. For me, it's very difficult to take a
Okay.
session or connect with someone. And in between, if my daughter asks for something. So I feel like very furious. Why you are not looking like what right now I'm doing? Like, but
Doing.
sometimes I
Okay.
feel like 24 into 7 hour is becoming shorter for me.
Hmm.
Have you ever feel?
Okay, because he's too young, so he need your help. No, that's why.
Yeah, need is different, Sahana. But in my case, I think you already know very well, especially son, their mysterious behavior. We cannot know what next they are going to do. We
Yes.
have to prepare which
And
field.
and I
Yeah,
and I have two sons, Kripa.
that is the reason I'm asking to you. Because
Yeah.
having
But yeah. But my supervision is little bit strict, you can say, and they don't try to fight. If they try to fight, they know the what will be the result and what will the action of my mother, her mom. So his mom, yeah.
yeah,
So they try to, yeah, solve themselves their conflicts.
exactly. Because he's a like a only 3 year old, and he like start behaving like whatever I want, I have to like find that things. And
Yes,
no,
yeah.
I see like he start behaving like that, but sometimes I feel very happy. Sometimes I feel very like laugh. I cannot control even my laugh. I just start. It could be reason because I feel furious. I want to overcome from that situation. In that case, I start laughing. So it's happened with
Yeah. That is a beauty. Yes,
that.
motherhood. That is the beauty
No,
of motherhood.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like I just bash on my husband. Like you, like since morning you are leave our house for your office, and for me I have to handle them 24 into 7, no matter whatever you are
Mm.
feeling. So I think yesterday I was fighting with my husband who take decision to born like two kids. You. So I would just, it could be your responsibility also. Not because you won't believe like yeah, yesterday I was connected with someone, so I provide him a container of rice with a strain to make
Okay.
him busy, and he start spilling all the rices whole house. And after later he
Okay.
asked for toilet, and he went there, and he start throwing water outside from the washroom. After that session, like
Okay.
that lady asked me, "You want to ask some question?" I said, "No, I don't want to ask because I'm right now. I want to just wrap up this session because he's
Session.
lots of water and lots of
Oh,
rice. So you won't believe my whole bedroom. It was water. After that, I like broom
okay.
or like sweep all the house. Then I wipe all the my bedroom. So it was like
Oh my God.
yeah.
Yeah, and your hard work is really appreciable. You are struggling a lot. You are juggling with many
So
things,
I
Kripa.
don't think so. It's still because I think since my childhood I'm doing like the same kind of things. I am very hard work, but sometime what I feel, what kind of work I'm doing, I'm not getting result according to that. Have you ever feel also the same?
Yeah, not like that. I always feel that everything takes time. So, yeah, I just try to uh, uh, add my effort, but I don't expect any result immediately. This is my nature, you can say. I just try to focus and try to add my efforts. That is the thing. I think that's why I'm always be happy, you
That's
can say.
very, that's a great reason I would say. I think after being a mother, we are learning lots of things. Right. So right
Yes,
now,
yes.
I can say now patience is becoming my middle name. So I'm also
Mm, yeah.
trying to do, although I
Yeah, yes,
don't
yes.
have option,
Yes.
right?
And we already we are doing lot of things. There are many responsibilities, and with that we are focusing on our skill, our desire. So I don't feel so we have to get the result immediately. So yeah, we can wait.
I also these days I'm also feeling the same. I just try to
Yeah.
like put my effort only.
Effort. Yeah.
Yeah, desire. Otherwise, I just leave all the thing on God or situation or time because I
Yes.
also believe that time is a great. I would say how to say that time always heals the wound.
Yeah. He knows.
Yeah, so it's better to
Right.
wait. Exactly.
Yeah.
So have you ever
There
feel?
is so much competition. Yeah, there is so much competition outside, Deepa. So we have to juggle with that. So it's not easy. I don't find it easy. So yeah, we'll get the result definitely one day.
Yeah, but I have started my YouTube journey now, but I never compare my YouTube channel with others because the
Yeah.
reason is something different. Because my
Yes.
motive is to start this YouTube channel for uh, make me consistent only.
Yes.
I want to
Consistent and
overcome
confidence.
confident, yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
Because I want to
Hmm.
overcome, I'm introvert. So for me, it's very difficult to connect with people. And second thing, I have a fear of camera also. So for me, it's
Yeah.
very difficult to face camera. So another reason is that. So for that, I have started my YouTube channel. Day by day, I'm
Yes.
feeling more confident. Yeah, now I can say I can connect with anyone.
Yeah. And that what can the fear is not seeing in your face. So I feel so.
Yeah, but I
You are
don't think
confident. Yeah.
everyone telling me I cannot say I don't think so. You are feeling stress or you are getting cold feet, but
Yes.
I know what right now I am feeling inside me, but not right
No,
now
no,
with
not.
you because with you I am quite comfortable because we are I think
Yeah. Right.
familiar. That would be reason.
Yes, I think. But other videos also, I saw your videos, and I don't feel so you are introvert and you have a camera shy. There's nothing I felt.
That's great because now I can say I have learned how to face camera and how
Yeah,
to hide your
cameras,
or yeah fear.
he
Yeah.
fear. Yeah.
So have you ever
Yes.
feel kind of things like fear or
Yeah, yes, initially I used to feel like that, but when I connected this English platform, that's why I try to connect, turn on my camera every time, if I talk with our mentors or not. But I always try to keep turn on my camera. That is the thing I feel so. But I also feel whenever I talk with others, I have a little bit camera shyness. But
yeah.
now, a little bit day by day, I'm getting confidence.
Yeah, because I also feel the same. If you are connecting someone, although in session, I also most of the time try to turn on my camera. But somehow when my son he start bothering me, in that case I just turn off. Otherwise, I also try to do that because right now he is sleeping. That's how I'm able to connect with
Okay.
you. Otherwise, he just start and ask for laptop and I want to watch something. I want to do my office work. So that thing,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So okay, Shahana, I want to ask a question. Have you ever feel you are comparing yourself? You are comparing your English journey with others?
No, no, no. Actually, not like that. There is a, I think, says or there is a expression you can say. Don't compare your first topic to others' 20th topic. I think there is a expression. So
Yeah.
I feel I feel the same. So we just started our journey, and someone is they started their journey very early. So I don't feel so. If we reach at moment, we can also get that. So I don't feel so comparing is good thing. If we started comparing, then we start to feel anxious and stressed. So I just going through the flow. Yeah,
That's great, and I can get that vibe through
yeah,
through your face. the way you talk. So I think in this language journey, I have learned lots of things. We are not just learning a language. Actually, that language or our group and our mentor, they are saved. They had they have changed our whole personality, I
Yeah, yeah.
think.
Personality, yes, they have changed our whole personality. That's what can say. Really means true. You said truth, and I also feel the same. They motivate us a lot, and they what can say whole personality they have changed our personality. Yeah.
Exactly. And what is the reason? Have you ever noticed that? What is the reason they are able to change our whole personality? Have you ever find the reason?
I think yes, we also women and they, I think they also women, they know our feelings. I feel so. So what is the women feel? I think that is the main issue and main element we can say. They are motivating us and they are encouraging us.
Exactly. And one thing I also noticed that through this community, the way they teach us, the way they are sharing stories, a
Yeah.
meaningful story. That story
Yes,
change,
absolutely.
like that story change, totally change our thought, like our outlook, I would say, right?
Yes, and many most of the co-learners they learned a lot, and we also learned a lot. And most of the co-learners they have started their own YouTube channels, and it's really helpful and it's happiest thing.
Yeah, that's the reason I always admire our mentor. Even whenever I feel overwhelmed or happy, excited, I always like a message to our mentor. Right now,
Yeah.
whatever I'm feeling, because of you, what I was very bold when I was a child, but because of some reason, I think if you have watched my video, so you might be, so I fall in a depression for 4 hours, and after that what I feel, I have lots of things whatever I had earlier. I was very bold, I was very
Okay.
excited to learn, I was very enthusiastic learning, I would say. I was very helping people. Hey, lots of things uh, it was there. But after that, things I have lost lots of things. Then I decided, but again, since I have joined in this community, I start feeling the same because now
Yeah.
I'm
Right.
able to find my older personality, what I were.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Right. Yes. Yes.
Because of ma'am, I have
Okay.
done lots of in my education and many things, but I never find the way where I should go. But because of this language, I have started because like earlier my daughter used to like ask me when you will start our YouTube channel, Mama. First tell me every day. See,
Okay.
so I don't know.
Okay.
It's your responsibility. If you want to go, so you can start, but it could be like productive or it could be meaningful. But
Hmm.
when we have started now, she is very happy, and also because I always like used to tell her when pigs fly, maybe then I will start my YouTube channel. I'm not going to start because of my hesitation. I was like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. And you are doing great now.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
You have started. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm starting feeling very content also.
And
Mm-hmm.
yes, and yes, I have a question for you, Deepa. And how do you manage these all the things? Your both kids are too young and family responsibilities and other things. How do you manage these all the things?
You won't believe, Shahana. You can understand seeing my eyes, the sore eyes I have these days because it's been like more than 4 days. I couldn't take a proper sleep even, and because of
Yeah.
night, my son these days I don't know what happening with him. He's not sleeping also, and whole day I'm working. Like sometimes feel like I'm just stuck on hamster wheel. And but when I try to even take a nap now in afternoon, suddenly I remember our co-learners. They are doing great, and I'm just sleeping. Why? I cannot do that. And immediately I just feel energetic. No, I'm going to connect with someone. No, I'm going to like revise something. I'm going to read. And it's been 1 month, Sahana. I have started to also my um, language training session I'm giving. It's been 1 month. So for that,
Okay.
every day 3 to 4 p.m. is scheduled
Okay.
fixed for my kids, my students. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
also teaching.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's making, yeah, giving me kind of energy to do something every day.
Okay. And are these offline classes or online classes?
It's online.
Online classes.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
The offline
Yeah.
not.
I know you have. Okay. Yeah, that's what I asked. Because you have shared the information about classes on your WhatsApp, so
Yeah.
that's why I asked it. Is it offline or online? Yeah.
Yeah. Because the I want to like do something, but I cannot leave my motherhood journey also. It's very
Yeah,
important.
yeah, of course. And yes, and at that time, your yeah, what your younger kid do whenever you take the give the sessions.
He start asking for phone. Sometime he start just provide me that book. This is my story book. You cannot share anything through this. From this book.
Okay.
So I said okay. So I just give him lots of book colors, and yeah. Sometime he start doing his monkey business like earlier I shared already.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, and yes, I'm also thinking so do something with let's see because I always feel so my family is first priority. Let's see what will happen in the
It would
future.
be.
Yeah.
It would be family's first
Yeah.
priority. Even I think
Hmm.
yesterday I was sharing something with my husband. So my daughter, she told me, "Ma, I think you should not. You are doing lots of things. You just take rest. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to cook for us, I'm ready to have that." So I said, "Okay."
Okay, that's a good thing.
She told me not need to worry, like just cook these and this and that. I'm ready with khichdi also. So I said okay, but I'm going to
Okay.
cook something special for you. That's how she is very, I would say, sincere, Shahana. She is
Hmm. Yeah.
supportive.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, I saw her many videos. She's very active and yeah, confident speaker.
Yeah, yeah. Even I
Yes.
think she had connected with Rashmita ma'am on Sunday. I have shared that
Okay.
video. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
I have shared video yesterday. You have you seen that video?
No, no, not yet. No, no,
So
no,
she
not
was
yet.
asking, she was discussing about parenting. In between, she was
Okay.
sharing. Sometime I also like behave like anything. I understand, but later I realize I should not do that. Being kids, we have to like respect our parents, whatever. So after listening that video, I was asking to her, okay, while talking, you like just you are talking like you are a very elder, you know each and everything. But yeah, Sahana, I would say she knows each and everything, how to behave. Even sometime whenever she makes mistake now, so I ask to her indirectly through the story.
Okay.
I just narrate a story according that situation. I just say that it's
Okay.
to her. So in that case, I ask
Okay.
in that situation, sure, what you want to give a suggestion. What would be reason behind
Okay.
that girl or kids like doing like? So I don't want to ask her directly. I want to
Okay.
realize.
Yeah.
I want to realize her
Yeah.
what you have done wrong.
Okay.
So in that case, you won't believe
Oh,
she gives me answer like after listening that answer, I feel no. I think I am doing something great. She
great.
knows
Yeah.
where she is lacking. She knows what she should
Mm.
do. She know how to
Mm.
behave. So after listening that story, Mama, I'm like I'm feeling you are saying something. You are narrating a story, something related to me. If you
Me.
ask,
Okay.
so is it, if you want to ask, you can ask.
Okay.
So I said, okay, now you understand why I'm saying that story. So she
Okay.
tell yes. So I said, so what should we do then? You have done something wrong in that case. So what could be like, what was the reason? And now what would be your next step? It is
Okay.
very clear in everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Have you?
And thank you for sharing this tip, actually, this trick and tip.
No, I
Yes,
do.
I will also
I
try to.
really do the
I can also
same.
try with my kids.
It's very
Yeah.
great idea, Shahana. Whenever you like try it, because someone called me ki nowadays your daughter she has done. I said no. Because I know about her what she could do and what she could not. If she has done
Okay.
something wrong, it could be reason behind it. So like
Yeah.
it's better to ask directly. Try to ask through narrating a story, right?
Right. Right.
Yeah. So have you ever find
Yeah.
something mysterious about your kids?
Yeah, there are many things they do, but I also try to correct them. But I never tried this trick actually. That's why I told you. Thanks for that. I will definitely try it.
That's a great idea. I would say definitely you should try. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But my elder one is he is also enough mature, and my younger one is it too young. But yeah, there is a quality of they should have children should have little bit mischievous.
Yeah.
So we can't say they are children, right? So
It's,
always I try to correct him. Yeah, my younger one. And my elder one is enough mature. He actually tried to say something to me and my younger kid.
mhm.
Yeah. So there is no need to think about my elder one.
Okay, in that case, if they are start fighting together, so in that case, so what kind of how you handle that?
They just fight with their, I mean, it's a kind of Cold War. They don't fight only with talking. They don't never ever fight. This is the only good thing I can say.
In my case,
Yeah, they don't fight. That's what.
but in my case, my son, he's only 3 year old, Sahana. Like he jumps like a how to say? He jumps like a chimpanzee. You can say monkey. When you jump,
Yeah.
you cannot. You cannot like. Sometimes I feel like the his grip is very strong. You cannot like leave that
Okay.
easily.
Hmm.
Always ready
Okay.
to he always ready to be like do fighting all the time. Even my daughter, she cannot sit with us on the same bed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, but it's my elder one is 14 years old and my younger one 10 years old. Old. But I think they don't never ever fight. And if I go somewhere, my elder one takes care very means carefully. My younger one, son, yeah.
I think my daughter, she also do the same, but because of his behavior, sometime he asks for help. Sorry, start
Okay.
asking for help, Mama. I cannot handle him because all the
Okay.
time he is ready for fighting. Because all the
Mm-hmm.
time he try to snatch her hair.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have a
Yeah.
question. What one's childhood memory that still makes you smile?
Okay. Childhood memories. There are many childhood memories, Deepa, but I would like to share one memory. Uh, we used to live in a village, and there are some friends. I had some friends. Still, I am connected with them. And there are many friends, and we used to live in village. And I used to try. Means we all friends used to play with kind of that kitchen toys. I think you might know that
Yeah, I know.
kitchen toys.
Yeah.
And I still remember that whenever I cook in a kitchen, I still remember those all memories. I can visualize yeah, how we used to play with those toys, kitchen toys. Yeah, that memory always, yeah, etched in my mind.
Yeah, I think you make me nostalgic. I did also like same, like you. I used to cook a lot when I was child. All time I get scolded by my elders because I used to like do that thing like real. I tried
Yeah, same.
fire.
Likewise.
Sometimes, still sometimes whenever I like meet them, so she asked me, Deepa, you remember that day you were trying to make gujia, gujia?
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Yeah, I tried to make gujia in, I think my field. I was too young. I was studying in, I think, fourth or fifth standard. So my grandfather he saw and he started yelling on us. What you are doing? It could be reason of fire. So this and that, and even he slapped us. I
Okay.
leave all the thing. I just run away, and after that I send those like little girl go and and grab that gujia and have that. Because I
Okay.
I put my heart and soul in that, so it was raw. It was raw, but I feel them. I think sugar,
Okay. Okay.
sugar, and they had the gujia without like steaming even or without frying. It was
Okay.
raw.
Okay.
I compare them to you have to have because I made that gujia with love and it takes like
Good job.
lots of efforts. It's just
Effort.
delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, you were mysterious or you were very simple.
I am very mature. When I realizing this word, I am very mature. Still, my parents say I'm elder in my siblings. I have both siblings. They both are boys, and I'm elder one.
Okay.
And I'm enough mature since I getting to know this word. Yeah, and still they what can say appreciate me in that thing. Whenever she didn't annoy us and all the things, whatever we used to prepare at home, she used to eat all the things. Yeah,
Yeah, in
these
that
things
case,
they always say
I was
to
very
my kids.
mysterious. Yeah, in that case, but
Yeah.
I was very mysterious, but I was like very taking care of, like very patience and very sincere also. But I also
Okay.
used to do something mysterious thing. That is the reason I get. I am also elder. I have two siblings. Like we are three sisters. So I do same, but I was mysterious. I couldn't
Yeah.
truth. Okay, Sahana.
Okay.
It was how to say thought provoking session, and you make me very laugh. So love that conversation.
Yes, yes, really.
Yeah, thank you so much
Yeah.
for joining me.
And I also had a very fun means it was amazing.
Because